In this quick video, I'm going to cover the most common handlebar turn mistake I see riders make when doing slow speed maneuvers. Now, just by fixing this, will tighten up your turn. So hang tight. Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome to my channel, where I pass on riding tips, practice drills, and defensive riding strategies to fellow riders. Now, I'm a rider coach, a motorcycle sergeant, and owner and instructor at ProRider Central Texas. Let me start by saying that I did a video on why I think we have such a hard time when it comes to turning the handlebars. So, if you haven't seen that video, be sure to go check it out after this video. I'm gonna leave a link up top and in the description below. Now, we all have seemed to struggle at some point or another when it comes to handlebar turns. So don't think that you're the only rider out there that has had problems with this. What I tend to see is that riders will start to turn their handlebars, but because of the fear, they will open them up again. And then they will turn the handlebars again and then open them up again. And they would do this throughout their entire turn. Now, when I bring it to their attention, they don't even know that they're doing it. Now, this is what this looks like. Now what happens is every time you open up your handlebars, it causes you to go wider and wider. When I teach my students, I tell them that during the course, if all you can give me is this much handlebar turn, but you hold it instead of opening up the handlebars, I will take it because it's a start and it's better than doing this. So as you continue to work on this, you will get better and better. So, long story short is you have to commit to your handlebar turns. So the next time you go out to practice, pay attention to your handlebar turns and see if you're doing this. And let me know in the comment section below if you are. Now, if you found value in this quick video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.